particularly I remember the night before we were activated to go to the pandemic wards. Like that was the day where there were 1,000 patients that were COVID positive. And the night before was, a lot of people were given the choice to volunteer to go to the front lines or not. And actually a lot of them also had the same fears as me. So we realized that we had to not only step up for ourselves, for the country, for the COVID positive patients, but also for the people at the front lines. I'm Scott, and I'm currently a medical doctor at Fong General Hospital. In the initial days, certainly there was a lot of fear ferrying healthcare workers to hospitals. In fact, my mom, who is also doing a distribution business, many of her customers actually feared the delivery from her because they knew that I was a doctor and living with her at the same time. So one of the things that we as frontliners do is that we not only are well equipped with all the information, but we also equip ourselves with a lot of the safety features like N95, a lot of the infection control measures, such that even when we are in a COVID positive area, we actually don't get infected despite being there for months. So, to those people who have some of these fears or you want to understand more, feel free to approach any one of us friendly faces, and we'll try to answer some of the questions. I think a lot of my own personal drive is really to help as many people as possible. And through this pandemic, I chose healthcare, but health really is more than healthcare, and I'm very heartened to see that many people from all walks of life share that sentiment as well. The response to the pandemic would not have been possible if we didn't have, caterers and logistics to feed the 300,000 people in isolation, or even the fact that, even when we talk internationally with all the other people to even try and bring in vaccines, for example, everyone has a common understanding that we're all in it together. So that's something that really gives me a lot of hope. Everyone really tries to help each other in a time of great need, and so that's something I enjoy.